know many people are having trouble with finding the setup instructions for their Philips coffee maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Register your machine. Register your Philips Series 2200 EP2220 Coffee Maker at www.philips.com/welcome to access full support. Step 2. Read Safety Booklet. Read the separate safety booklet carefully before using the machine for the first time. Step 3. Check type number. Check the data label inside the service door to find the type number of your machine. Step 4. Scan QR code. Scan the QR code on the cover of the user manual for additional online support, including fakes and videos. Step 5. Brew initial coffees. Brew 5 coffees initially to allow the machine to complete its self-adjustment for optimal coffee taste. Step 6. Rinse milk container. Rinse the LatteGo milk container or the classic milk frother before the first use of the machine. By following these steps, you should be able to easily find and understand the setup instructions for your Philips Series 2200 EP2220 Coffee Maker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.